Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make dark drone sounds with modular. When I'm recording all sounds, I use a vacuum tube preamp and a DI box. So here you can see my modular system, which mostly consists of handmade DIY modules. Now I'm going to use the Behringer Crave synthesizer. The Behringer has evolved a lot in recent years and launched some brilliant products, like the Crave. So everything is ready. I start the recording in Ableton. Let's hear the sound. Okay, I'm done with the sound recording. Now comes the sound design. I put a bandpass filter on it that I'm automated. Here is my new favorite reverb, the Eventide Black Hole, recommended my friend MZPerX. Let's hear what it does with the sound. I think the reverb is never enough. So the sound is ready. Let's export it. Check my Bandcamp page where you can find similar unique sounds. Thanks for watching.